allotted to that person, deviate from that purpose.
Okay. So, but what happens to the earlier one? Fatla issue illegality level.
No, this is basically, see, you cannot go back to history.
Correct.
Because you need to be, basically, you should start from somewhere. So we have started from today.
Okay.
So no one basically will be able to take any land from Comunidad for one purpose and utilize it for something else.
So how would you resolve the earlier matters then? Which are there in litigation, so any other issues are there?
No, that, see, about litigation and all, that will follow the due process. We have got nothing to do with that. We have come up with that thing. It is such, means the old cases which has happened, which should not happen in future. So let us come to that.
But just one thing, sir, so where this new law would be not applicable for earlier issues, or cases only.
See, it will not be available for review. Is not a thing. It is a thing. If suppose we cannot go back to the history. We will need to basically start from somewhere. So we are starting saying any land which has been allotted or you are asking allotment from the Comunidad, they should be utilized for the purpose which you are taking the land for, and it cannot be deviated from that.
Sir, unemployment data आयल्लो sir
See, that is totally wrong. Our commissioner actually had gone to Delhi. They had a meeting with the labor minister, central labor minister. He has pointed out this issue. See, this data basically has not come from the labor department, and actually who should basically the planning and strategy, they are the people actually who should follow up with them. So this is totally a wrong data, and we don't accept it.
So CM is going to Delhi.
Yes.
Any repulsion chances are there? CM Delhi hota.
He told you, that he's going to Delhi, so I asked him please. Thank you.
सर फाटल्या दिसांनी तुम्ही ते इल्लीगल घरां ती रेग्युलरायज करता म्हटलेली ती खंय आतां
खंयची इल्लीगल घरां?
जायती आहा तितून फाटल्या
खंयची घरां ते सांग मरे. खंयची तें सांग. इल्लीगल अमेंडमेंट आहात मरे, रूल आहात मरे, ते चालू आहा मरे.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. See you. Take care.